Here they are, almost 3 weeks old. 3 weeks old on Thursday.
Careful, they might swallow you up.
This is the second time they've been out in the living room, and this is the first time that she hasn't tried to get them by the neck and take them back to the back of the closet.
Can you ask my name?
Becky.
Okay, well, I'll tell you anyway. My name's Clement. Yeah, it's a family name.
Oh, well, it's nice meeting you.
Have you ever heard of the category game?
No?
It's a game we like to play with cards, just face cards.
What is it? What is it called?
So every time you flip a jack, you have to think of a category.
Okay.
It could be anything, man. Like things you would at a hardware store, fake pants in alphabetical order. Then you keep going around until someone gives up or someone repeats. Then they have to drink.
Yeah, listen, I'm gonna make a call, and, see, I don't feel like going back to my room to get a quarter.
I'll tell you what. I will give you one shiny quarter just for playing. I got quarters. I got crazy quarters. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah, let's go. Alright. Play. King.
You want there, dude?
Queen, girl. Queen, yeah. Drink. Jack. Category.
What's category is? What's good category?
What categories?
No.
That's a good category.
Pepsi.
Nice. You start. You go ahead.
Okay.
Movies? What the?
Movies.
Have you seen Deliverance?
Okay.
Burt Reynolds.
Yeah.
You know, the
Yeah,
arrow.
it's great.
John Boyden's a pretty mouth. Yeah, Burt Reynolds was a little late in saving them, because Ned Beatty already...
What?
I don't know. Yeah. That's me again.
Look at the fighting kitties.
Category,
What about girls whose hearts you broke?
Oh.
19 days old.
Number one.
One. Is there something like cooler, like the Star Wars characters, or
broke your heart.
Chewbacca? I like to drink. Category. Things you would find in a hardware store.